Hello, thank you so much for your love and support. If you are not aware of the exposing port, then there is a video in my playlist where you can find the detail how to expose the port. Uh, and there is a beautiful video for the services also. Please view it, and you may have a little understanding about the exposing port and services. Okay, so let's get started. This is a new question. It is the mock preparation question. So what question says you are managing Kubernetes cluster where a deployment name UI app already exists in namespace devlab. The container image used is Nginx. So information is regarding the deployment, and update the deployment UI app in the devlab namespace to ensure that Nginx container expose port 80 TCP explicitly. So you need to expose TCP explicitly. So create a service named UI services in the same namespace to expose the pod in the deployment on the port 80. So you need to create services to expose pod in the deployment on port 80 TCP. Ensure that the services is of type node port. So especially mentioning, so you do not create anything else than the node port. So the application is accessible externally via any node IP and the static port. Okay, so do not recreate the deployment, only modify it. Okay, so just copy paste this thing from create namespace till that EOF and till here. Sorry, till here. From create namespace to till here. Just copy and paste. So you will environment is created. Now let's start. So k hyphen n name is dev lab get deployment apps. So here this app is already so for exposing services, so update the deployment UI app in the lab namespace to ensure container exposes 80 expose port 80 TCP explicitly. Then just take the backup. How will you do it? Just UI app, then hyphen o YAML, and then it's a backup, and then depl.pyml. Then now our backup is with us. First cat it because backup is good. Just test it. Then now I'll expose port k. So I'll edit k edit hyphen n dev lab edit deployment UI app. So where to edit? Image, and we'll find image here. Now just below the name, like ports. This is the plural 1 2 hyphen 1 space CONTAINER port, and this is 80, and protocol is TCP, and name is HTTP. So here WQ, if you do any mistake, then one temporary file will be saved and you have to then you can correct that file. Now k describe, instead of this above command k describe, so you'll find that port is here. Okay, control L. Now you have to create a node port services. So just go to the services, just type node port. Okay, so you'll find this here. So instead of going, just find 3007, sorry, 0007, because scrolling take much time and I know where to get the things. So just copy this and paste via and node code.yml and paste it here. Remove whatever you don't want. Name I want, so I will UI services, UI hyphen service node service, and then type is node port, and here you need this thing. So I'm just temporarily need to edit. Okay, so I'm pasting it here, writing like this, because if I'll apply like that, it will throw an error because here space is not expected. So I'll remove this. Oh, why it is something wrong is going. Just notebook services, paste it, and edit this. Whatever not required, delete it. Normal mode, I don't require particular port number. This target port I required, and this is also I required. And here name need to be changed, so I'll change the name. Name is UI hyphen p. I'm here typing, but you copy it from here and paste it because no typo mistake. Here this selector is very much important. I'm writing it here, need to edit need to edit, because if I'll apply like this will throw error. I'll make a name http and I'll save it. I need a selector. So what I will do, describe UIIP. I'll find a label. App is UI app. So app copy and van output. This is the app and you need to change it to V. I always means is I always do something like that so that by accidentally to edit by accidentally if I apply then it will throw error not put, so it will throw error, so I know where to do things. So intentionally I make some space mistakes if I need, if the file is not fully completed. So I will edit, I'll paste UI app and then escape wqf. Now I apply notepad YAML. So services is created. A get SVC. So, but is it the right services via notepad YAML? Here namespace is not mentioned. Okay, but deployment lies in that namespace. So I need to add a namespace also. So in namespace, and namespace is devlab. Most of the time we do forget namespace. So I intentionally created without the namespace. So wq, and you can do two things. First delete services, see UI services, and then recreate it. F node k apply hyphen f, sorry, k get svc. If you are having namespace, then it should not be here. Particularly you should be find it in that dev namespace. So hyphen and dev lab. So now the service is this. So what I will do, I will k get node 01 k get nodes hyphen o white. Here I'm making it little smaller and I'm making control L. I'm clicking control L. I'll k get node white and k get svc. So these are the two things which I need. This any of the thing. Okay. So copy it and curl and then http colon and and then you put this 31223, copy paste, and now you will see it's showing the message. So your port is perfectly exposed. So sometime thank you so much for your love and support. We'll come back with another video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much.